Thinking about starting a craft supplies e-commerce store in Singapore? With rising interest in DIY projects, handmade goods, and creative hobbies, now is the perfect time to launch your online craft store. And 3E Accounting Singapore is here to help you get started. Begin by incorporating a private limited company with ACRA. This structure boosts trust with suppliers, customers, and online platforms. 3E Accounting Singapore ensures a smooth and compliant incorporation process. Are you selling art supplies, knitting tools, resin materials, scrapbooking items, or a full range of DIY products? Defining your niche helps you build a recognizable brand and attract loyal customers. Set up your online store using platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Lazada and Shopee. Make sure your website has secure payment gateways, easy navigation, and a visually appealing product catalog. Craft supplies require reliable sourcing and stock management. Whether you're importing materials or working with local suppliers, 3E Accounting Singapore can help you understand GST, import regulations, and proper accounting for inventory. Ready to turn creativity into a thriving business? Let 3E Accounting Singapore help you launch and grow your craft supplies e-commerce store in Singapore.